What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So, check out the new decal. Yeah, man. Papa T _install. That's how you reach me on the Instagram and YouTube. Yeah, man. So check it out. In the TB. There it is right there. So we got a little surprise up under there for the show on July the 13th, which is this Saturday. We'll be at the Excess Power Show in Knoxville, Tennessee. So the TB will be there. Just a rundown of the system. We've got from the front Excess Power D3400, and then we've got a McMahon 240. We've also got Crescendo 6.5. We got 2 each door. We got a Crescendo FT1 Pioneer 4200 NEX, and then back to the good stuff. Got a Wolfram 4500. Got one. Another Wolfram 125.4 and 2 AU15s, all Wolfram. And for power, we got Excess Power XP3000, 2 of them. Yeah, man. So check this out. This is my new design, my new decal. Yeah, man. So I decided to put something together real quick. Took me a little while of thinking about it and trying to get an idea of how I want to do this. So these will be available as well at the show. You want to come by, swing, and holler at Papa? Come pick one up from me. Yeah, man. Y'all like that? Now the decal is open to interpretation, so whatever you think it means, that's what it means. Yeah, man. So here's the new shirt design. Check it out. Got the decals down here. That's a silver. And that is a right face. That's a left face. I hadn't got the right face in silver yet. Still waiting on those. And then we got stickers. But this Big Daddy right here, look at that. Check out that design. Yeah, man. Again, just like the decals, it's open up to interpretation. Whatever it means to you is what it means. Hit up your boy Papa. Install. Best way to get me is on Instagram. If you're interested in something like this. So, let's do this. Let's give away a t-shirt along with a decal and a sticker. And in order to qualify, all you got to do is comment, like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. That's it. And I'll select a winner maybe in like 2 weeks or so. We're going to the show on the 13th. I'll be there. I'll have this on deck. Just the decals, not the shirt. The shirt is like a production item, so I'm not sure, if this will change or anything, but I do like this final design which is basically indicative of the decal. So I appreciate all the support. And again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Achoo, man. That's it. Peace out.